Today we are continuing on with our look at Bruno Marc. This is video number 3. If you missed the first and second one, I will put them at the top of the screen there for you. We've gone over the black and brown Oxfords in those videos and went through all the details on both of those pairs of shoes and the brand behind them. And today we are looking at some Oxfords again, but these are a very different style. Have a closer look for yourself. These are the men's breathable mesh Oxford sneakers from Bruno Marc in gray. They say these are designed to be much more versatile than the leather line items we've examined in the first 2 videos, with the breathable mesh material making up the majority of the outside of the shoe. And really it's that mesh material and the overall design of the shoe really, which leads to a more casual vibe versus the more formal looks we've seen in the prior 2 videos. According to their site too, the breakdown of the shoe includes a soft and breathable mesh upper that helps your feet to stretch and breathe freely, an elastic collar for comfortable wearing, a soft and removable insole, and a flexible and durable MD outsole. As far as options go with this one here, it actually has quite a few more options on their site than the others that we've looked at in the previous videos. Not only do they have 5 color options for this shoe, but they also have 2 more versions of this sneaker to look at, each with their own color options. So there's just quite a few to look at and choose from here. Price-wise, we are coming in with these at $44.99, and just like the others, these are available on Amazon as well as their site. As far as putting them on now, putting them on my feet, testing them out, I can tell you for sure these are the most comfortable out of the 3 I've looked at from this brand. I mean, they feel nice, they feel lightweight, and I think they have a pretty decent sole on them. But the MVP for sure on this shoe, at least for me, is the breathable mesh outer layer. It really brings in some nice airflow, which, you know, keeps your feet cool. And I kind of like that. I think it's a nice touch. I also generally just like the way that they look too. I mean, I mentioned that they are more versatile than the others we've looked at, and that is something that I think also makes these probably my favorite out of the 3 that we've looked at so far. I think too that they can be paired with almost anything outside of something like super formal, you know, like you don't want to wear a tux with these, obviously. So, you know, within reason, I think they could go with pretty much anything. I mean, you could go with some chinos or even regular dress pants, as long as the rest of the outfit is, you know, at a level appropriate for this style of shoe. When it does come to color though, I do think we are limited a tiny bit with these being gray, but since they do offer a lot of different colors, I think overall you have a lot of options. But with these here, I would say just pairing them with some chinos or even a nice pair of jeans would be a solid choice. In the end here though, for me, I think these once again are probably my favorite out of the 3. I think I'd probably go with a color next time that goes with a wider variety of choices instead of the gray. Not that the gray doesn't look good. I just, you know, I like giving myself more options, but that's just me. As far as quality goes, I don't see anything here that stands out as a red flag. As I've said though in the previous 2 videos, and really I'm not comparing them to anything. I mean, we're talking about less than $50 shoes here. And all I'm saying is for shoes in that price point, they do seem to be decent. I do believe though that is it for our 3rd one. I think we might actually also have a 4th one to look at. I think they're releasing something coming soon, so we might have a 4th one to look at from this brand, but I don't yet have an idea when that's going to happen. So in the meantime, I do have some other awesome content coming out for you guys, including an all new set of Behind the Brews, which I'm so excited about. I love making those. I would do those all the time if I could. They're so much fun. So make sure you're subscribed. Make sure if you're not already, you hit that button, you turn on the bell notifications so you can be notified when all this awesome content is published. It's also a quick, easy, and free way to support my channel. I appreciate that very much. Make sure you do that for me. And of course, take it easy. I'll see you next time.